Good morning. Not sponsored, but they gave us t-shirts. So now it's just work shirt. Anyways, we are back at property today to do Fireplace. Yesterday, we did not come because Damien had a dentist appointment and his dentist is like an hour and a half away. So we did that in the morning, and then Damien had soccer and baseball last night. So I should have technically come yesterday, but I didn't. It was a chaotic day. So anyways, we're here today to do Fireplace and hopefully get pretty far on that. And then, oh, I have to paint one more coat. So I did an update. The other day, not yesterday, but the day before, I was here and I repainted the office because it was just way too dark. I didn't like it. So now it is basically just a lighter version of this, but it's pretty white. So I maybe would have put it a touch darker, but I think I'm gonna do dark trim, which will help make this color stand out, and you can see the difference between the white and that color. So that I repainted. The stairwell I finally primed because it wasn't done, so I primed all the way around here up until this point, because this point has to be compounded a little bit downstairs still. And then I ended up, there was a small spot here that wasn't primed yet, and then I painted the ceiling with one coat, and this morning I have to paint one more coat on the ceiling, and then at least the ceiling will be done and he can start tiling, because there's a ton of overspray with the ceiling, so you don't want to really put paint on your tile. But we can't do the paint job in here. One, that has to be all sanded, and then two, this all has to be fixed. So this vanity was too big to fit in here, so Dad's actually going to mold the wall to it, and it all has to be touched up and stuff. So the walls are not going to be painted in here until the tile is done, because the tile has to be done before we can put this actually in. This is just set in there for now, so we have to do the tile before we put that in, and it'll all be touched up and everything. So just thought I would update on that, and I'm not going to show you the painting of the ceiling, and I think it might just help with the boys, so we'll see. Good morning. We're at the property. Kyle and Dad have been here, and Matthew and I took Sophia to school. Dad's been working on getting the curdy up. So we did this one the other day, and then he's done this one. And now he's working on the little niche. So yesterday I had to go pick up some mortar for the fireplace, and oh no, it's in the washroom. And what else did I need at Home Depot yesterday?
Oh, would you look at that mirror?
I bought a mirror.
$60?
Yeah. The ones that are going in the ensuite are like $400 each.
What?
So 60 is
ridiculous.
I know. That's why I'm trying to find.
I don't want that good looking.
Anyways, this one I got from HomeSense, which is kind of like a TJ Maxx or whatever. And it's gonna go right here. And look, I didn't know how big. It just fits in between the, so it's perfect.
But equal distance on both sides of the outlets.
But, so that's where it's gonna go. I want to hang it today so it doesn't get broken. So I marked out already. I just gotta mark the height, so I need your help with the height.
Well, do you want to do it right now because he's doing that?
Yeah.
Or are you leaving over there and helping him?
So, can you hold it up?
Yes.
And I will have to measure. So go center. You have to move over. Yeah, oh, too much. See what I got yesterday? Okay, These are just scratches from here. I guess I have to touch those up from when Kyle was holding the mirror against the wall. And these plugs I actually got with the toilet paper holder, and I utilized them. So there's 2 extra. So these will be really good to hold up a heavy mirror. So I put those in there, and hopefully it's all good. So I use the level and everything. Oh, and I gotta get an eraser. Pull your tab down. It'll help. Watch the lights. You gotta go up underneath the lights.
Oh.
Well, ain't that just special? Look how big that is. Holy. That looks crazy. Well, there we go. Look at that. Nice big selfie mirror. Look at how big that is. It makes the bathroom look huge. So yeah, it was $60 from HomeSense, which is pretty cheap. So I just finished, I caulked there. Here was already caulked. And then I caulked all the way around to there. And then again, we don't have baseboard there yet because the vanity will be there. So the shower is completely curdy systemed. So there's actually a corner under here. There's a corner there. There's this guy for the shower. And then the box, a little niche. And then I just cut a hole for the shower head. And we went like 18 inches above the shower head. That's all done. That's how much we got done on the fireplace today, and we'll restart tomorrow. So Dad and I went and picked up a mantle the other day, cedar, and that's what the face looks like. So it's got this one knot here, and then this little imperfection here. And then the other one I was choosing between was just like this, but I thought that was his character, so it's gonna go up there.
Turn, up, up, up.
Remember that line? No. Way down.
Fucking line, Jimmy.
You're
Hey,
like
don't just hold it there. Who
No,
cares?
you're way too high.
It doesn't matter. You just want to see which is up and down, right?
No, down man.
Well, that there is like.
We're just trying to see which way she wants it, top or bottom. Hey, look.
Okay, flip it the other way.
Then further.
I wasn't expecting it to look
Actually, I
like
kind of
that.
like it like that now better.
I know, me too, for some reason.
Which is the, where is it tapered in down the front?
Right now, right, Drew?
Yeah, so, see, so, no, down here, see his? Yeah. So it's going this way, I would leave it like that.
So I get more.
Well, you get a little bit, who cares, quarter inch, whatever, it might be half.
Yeah, no more.
I wasn't expecting that. Okay, flip it around again.
Just a chore.
I think it's white.
I kind of like that way too.
Well, you got one or the other, yes. You now flip it around, just flip it this way, put that face against the wall. Just kidding, I'm just.
That looks better.
Don't rub it against the wall.
Okay.
Oh, they're confused.
Now I'm confused. What do you guys
You
want?
gotta just pick one.
Just put it back, like, so I can see it. That doesn't help me.
Okay, take that, flip it upside down, slap it on the wall.
I like it, you know. It does look nice that way. It looks nice both ways, but I think it looks a little better that way. This is the top, right?
Aye.
Well, apparently there was a collective agreement.
Oh, I have nothing to do with it.
So, this is how it's going to be held on the wall. This piece goes on the wall, like so, and then it hooks in, and the weight
See how that goes
pulls
to
this.
school, right?
Oh, okay. Anyways, that's how it's working.
That's how it works. We'll call it a cleat. Because the French get everything named after them.
A what? Cleat?
Well, it's technically called a French cleat.
French cleat.
A French cleat, not a French sister. Or a French drain.
Okay.
Or a French cleat.
Oh my goodness.
How's that spelled?
Cleat.
C-L-E-T.
Cleat.
So we ended up getting both of these sides done. So the sides are done, but we couldn't do the face anymore because we had to cut
You want to run the vacuum?
the stone around.
You can.